This amazing 165-inch folding TV is a revolutionary product that offers a new level of luxury and functionality. This manufacturer has introduced a revolutionary luxury TV that redefines interior design. It is a sleek and minimalistic design with a 165-inch screen that rises from the floor at the push of a button. The TV uses the latest 4K MicroLED technology to achieve superior contrast, brightness, and color spectrum. The black color is deep and accurate, creating stunning contrast and perfect detail without glare. This model has twice the color purity of conventional LEDs, providing true-to-life colors. The micro-LEDs are made of long-lasting materials, giving the screen a potential lifespan of up to 100,000 hours. This company leads the way with its patented game-changing Adaptive Gap Calibration system, which creates totally seamless foldable 4K, 8K TV surfaces without any visible gaps. The AGC technology autonomously calibrates the corresponding LED's specific brightness to render gaps invisible, ensuring the perfectly seamless indoor TV experience. This 165-inch folding TV is an exciting addition to luxury homes and business locations, adding a spectacular feature to uncluttered walls. Its visually coherent, luxuriously minimalist, and aggressively elegant design makes it an outstanding entertainment experience that pushes every existing envelope of philosophy, design, engineering, and technology. The onboard 2.1 high-end audio provides total quality sound to match the screen's unparalleled visual quality, with the soundbar organically integrated into the frame design. With its cutting-edge technology, it sets a new standard for luxury TV and revolutionizes the way we view television. Be prepared to open your wallet, though. This incredible tech will cost you around $400,000. Have you ever seen this autonomous yard robot? It offers year-round yard care services. It is designed with a unique fusion technology called PBVS that integrates RTK GPS, computer vision, various sensors, and intelligent algorithms to achieve centimeter-grade accuracy. The manufacturer's proprietary algorithms enable it to determine the most efficient path planning and handle various types of yards, either with multiple areas or in weird shapes. The robot is covered by a steel shell and can withstand severe impacts, making it durable and long-lasting. Its docking station uses true wireless charging technology, enabling it to be ready to work 24/7, 365. It can mow the lawn, blow snow from driveways and sidewalks, and blow leaves and debris on the ground. And it's equipped with a rubber track designed to keep the minimum tread required to drive it without harming the lawn while mowing, and keep itself on course, even on icy ground. It has anti-theft protection and real-time GPS positioning, allowing you to track it in case it goes missing. The robot's enormous battery is at the heart of its power and can be removed and placed in a portable power station to provide energy wherever it's needed. In addition, the snowblower is a two-stage snowblower with an auger that collects the snow and an impeller that shoots it out of the chute. The cleaning width is 21 inches, and the intake height is up to 12 inches. The company is continually improving this incredible robot, and more features are on the way, including vision-based navigation and path positioning, playing music from Spotify and other major media, customizable voice services, and smart home integration services. Here we have a modern kitchen tool that brings the Peloton experience into your home. With its digital display and sleek design, it offers a unique and interactive way to learn how to cook healthy and delicious meals from expert chefs. The dark walnut wood cutting board provides a high-quality surface for prepping ingredients, while the digital display offers live and on-demand cooking classes that cater to your nutritional and dietary needs. Its docking station and cutting board feature a seamless design that makes it easy to clean and maintain. Its digital components are controlled by an app that is compatible with both iOS and Android devices, providing a user-friendly experience for all users. Whether you're a seasoned home cook or just starting out, this offers a fun and engaging way to improve your culinary skills. With it, you can choose from a variety of live and on-demand cooking classes that fit your schedule and dietary preferences. From plant-based cooking to gluten-free recipes, there's something for everyone. The interactive display allows you to engage with your friends and family while cooking, making it a social experience that brings people together. Overall, the Smart Cutting Board is a unique kitchen gadget that offers a fun and interactive way to learn how to cook healthy and delicious meals from expert chefs. Its sleek design and user-friendly app makes it an excellent addition to any home kitchen, providing a Peloton-style experience for cooking enthusiasts everywhere. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss the end of this video. When you think of safety, look for this security camera that has been designed for indoor and outdoor use. It can rotate 360 degrees horizontally and tilt 180 degrees vertically, making it easy to monitor a large area. This camera has been fully certified with an IP65 weather-resistant rating, ensuring that it can withstand any outdoor conditions. One of the most impressive features of this camera is that its 1080p HD color night vision, which provides exceptional visibility in low-light conditions. The camera uses a starlight sensor to ensure that every detail is captured in full color, so you'll never miss anything important. The panning camera also has an automatic motion tracking feature that enables it to follow moving objects. The camera can also send instant notifications to your phone when it detects motion or sound. For added privacy, the camera has a privacy mode that can be activated whenever you need it. The installation process for the camera is quick and easy, with an included wall mount that makes it easy to mount the camera anywhere you need it. You can even set up a patrol route with up to 4 custom waypoints using the pan scan feature. Overall, the panning camera is a reliable and versatile security camera that offers a range of features and benefits. Whether you need to monitor your home or business, this camera provides the visibility and control you need to keep your property safe and secure. This has been out for a while now, but this latest update wearable device seamlessly tracks and optimizes your health and fitness. This sleek and intelligent ring is equipped with advanced sensor technology and algorithms that provide a comprehensive understanding of your biometrics. By monitoring sleep quality, heart rate variability, body temperature, and activity levels, the ring gathers a wealth of data that can be analyzed to provide personalized recommendations for improved sleep and physical activity. The ring stands out for its ability to detect deep sleep and wake you up at the optimal time, resulting in increased energy and refreshed feelings. Additionally, the ring's comfortable and practical design makes it ideal for everyday wear. Its water-resistant construction enables you to wear it while exercising or even swimming. Moreover, this ring syncs with your smartphone or tablet, providing real-time data and customized recommendations for enhancing your overall health and wellness. Whether you're an athlete, fitness enthusiast, or simply seeking to improve your well-being, it's an excellent tool that simplifies the process of monitoring and optimizing your health in a stylish and convenient way. Here's an interesting one. A French startup has developed what it calls the world's first electric snow bike, dubbed the e-Trace. This hybrid bike snow sled features a 250-watt Sachs RS motor integrated with a removable 48-volt lithium battery that amplifies the rider's pedaling effort. The e-Trace can reach speeds up to 15.5 miles per hour and travel up to 28 miles on a single charge, making it a reliable and safe way to ride on snow surfaces. The bike's weight is 99 pounds, with a maximum weight capacity of 265 pounds. Notable features of the e-Trace include a 45mm front suspension, a Magura MT5 hydraulic disc brake, Enviolo variable gearbox, Supernova E3 taillight, Supernova Mini 2 Pro headlight, and a rack for an extra battery. The bike's design combines the elements of a snowmobile and regular road bike, with 2 skis on the front, a track on the back, and a pedal section with levers for ease of movement. Winter sports enthusiasts and cyclists alike will enjoy the e-Trace, which is perfect for various terrains and routes. It is a unique and exciting way to experience the winter outdoors while taking biking to the next level. Can you believe that this sleep robot revolutionary pillow promises to transform your sleeping experience? This high-tech pillow is designed to mimic the natural rise and fall of breathing, which can help you relax and fall asleep faster. Its innovative design makes it easy to hold, and its soft materials are perfect for cuddling. In addition to its breathing simulation, the sleep robot also plays calming sounds that can help you drift off to sleep. One of the most impressive features of this pillow is its programmable timer. You can set the timer to turn off after a certain amount of time, so you don't have to worry about it staying on all night. The sleep robot is also equipped with a range of customizable settings so you can tailor your sleeping experience to your own preferences. Overall, the sleep robot is an incredible invention that promises to revolutionize the way we sleep. If you're looking for a better night's sleep, this is definitely a product worth checking out. We hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to go and check out all our other videos.